Onions at this time with all the diseases everywhere going around, onions are really great for fever, cold, flu, sinuses, and keeping it down and in check. So you can just cut up onion and eat with your lunch. If you're eating bread or rice, whatever, just chop some fresh onion and sprinkle all over your food and eat it. And you can also cut it and put it in a bowl and keep it in your room, and that will attract all the bacteria and viruses. So onion is good for the heart. It lowers the cholesterol and blood pressure. It stops heart attack. Onion prevents cardiovascular diseases. It dissolves blood clots. Red onion especially is in the lowest glycemic index, so it is good for diabetics. It keeps the blood sugar in check. Onions are loaded with vitamins and minerals. It is extremely beneficial for our health, and they are loaded with fiber as well. And they have the sugar content very low, especially in red onions. Onions are great for menstrual cramps. So a week before the periods, you should start taking the onion daily, and during your period time you will have less discomfort and pain. Onions are great for hormonal balance. Onions are really excellent for our hair. They stop the hair fall, they regrow our hair, and it's good for dandruff control. So eat onion daily and put some onion juice on your hair at least 2-3 times a week, and then wash it off. It is just keep around 32 minutes to 1 hour and then wash it out. It is really good for getting a good night's sleep. So eat half cut onion before sleeping with your meal, of course, or lunch and dinner, and be sure to just brush your teeth with a good toothpaste, like minty mouthwash, so you won't smell. Onion boost our immune system. Onions are great for healing cold, flu, sinus problem, and fever, lowering the fever. And it gives a glowing skin because it promotes good blood circulation in the body, and it lowers the risk of developing any kind of cancer. Now, the whole onion is good for anything and everything, and when we cut the onion tops, we should not throw it out. We can regrow it. But now the onion skin even really good, so we should take the onion skin, wash it, and make tea of it and drink the tea after straining. Now onion skin tea is full of antioxidant, vitamin C, and quercetin, which protects the cardiovascular system, and our cardiovascular system stays really good because blood flows really great after eating onion. So quercetin keeps the bad cholesterol from sticking to the arteries. So that's why onion is a great protection against cardiovascular disease. And I never throw away onion skin. Always keep them, wash them, keep them, dry them, and just use them in tea. And just boil it and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour and drink it. And then onion tops, you can regrow them. So as you see, the onions are really excellent choice of food looking into all the health benefits. So go ahead and enjoy them, and every night come at 9 o'clock to your bed and sit down, and together we can pray for all this misery to be over and lockdown to be over, and we can get back to our normal life again. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams.